Hi, I'm Andrew with Lomanco Vents, and this is the Lomanco OmniRidge. One of the best looking and most effective ways to ventilate your attic space is to use a shingle over ridge vent. The best is Lomanco's OmniRidge, which is available in two models, our original model OR4 and our new model OR4N, which includes enough 2.5-inch ring shank nails to attach both the vent and the cap shingles. Both are made from a custom blended UV-resistant heavyweight polypropylene material. Some of the features that make the Lomanco OmniRidge the best include a lifetime limited warranty, easy to handle 4-foot lengths, an omnidirectional baffle system, a rigid structure that fits any roof pitch between 212 and 1612, center lines, cut lines, and shingle nail lines that are molded into the vent for easier installation, a patented molded end plug design, alignment tabs, and weatherproof underlapping joints make it easy to join as many pieces as you need to fit your roof. Fully supported nail holes make it nearly impossible to crush this vent while installing. Weep holes prevent water accumulation, and finally, there's no fibrous or fabric mesh that restricts airflow and is prone to clogging. One of the first things you'll notice about the design of the OmniRidge is the external baffle that runs the entire length of the product. This baffle is critical because it forces wind over the top of the vent, creating a negative air pressure area on top of the louvers that help to draw out hot air and moisture from inside your attic space. These baffles also act as the first line of weather protection, helping to keep rain or snow from finding its way through the vent and inside your attic. There are also baffles running perpendicular to the external baffle. These Omni baffles make the OmniRidge functional, no matter which direction the wind is blowing. Turning the vent over reveals the internal baffle system. These aerodynamically curved baffles ensure that heat and moisture are not trapped inside your attic and have smooth, unrestricted avenue of escape, while at the same time helping prevent any weather infiltration. This unity of maximum ventilation capacity while maintaining maximum weather protection is known as the Lomanco balance. The Lomanco OmniRidge is designed to cover a ventilation cutout at your roof's peak. You fasten it to the roof with 2.5-inch nails and then apply a traditional shingle ridge cap nailed directly over the OmniRidge vent. This results in a fully functional, yet aesthetically pleasing exhaust vent for your home, with an impressive net-free area of 18 inches per foot. Remember, you should match your exhaust vent's net-free area with your intake's net-free area for a balanced ventilation system, and Lomanco has a complete line of intake vents that can be matched to the OmniRidge. Whether you're a home builder or a homeowner, the best return on investment for protecting the life of your roof is a proper installation of a balanced ventilation system with the proven performance and quality of Lomanco Vents. If design, function, and aesthetics matter to you, try OmniRidge from Lomanco. For more information on Lomanco Vents, check out lomanco.com, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel.